My name is พงษ์พันธ์ชมพูพาน
My name is ระพีพัฒน์ขมุนตรี
My name is อาฮิตสุขทน
We are pleased to present
Spicy Salad
with fried egg Let's go
Spicy salad with fried eggs. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 25 grams live pear and lignite silica, 25 grams chopped carrot, 25 grams light lignite silica, 25 grams lovely sliced spring onion. Seasonings: 2 tablespoons lovely powdered bird eye chilies and garlic, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon lime juice.
Direction 1. Please hear it and get it. The work in sufficient amount of vegetable oil and eggs deep fry one at a time. When the oil is really hot until golden brown in the both sides. Direction 2. To make spicy salad dressing, mix together very well form a better combination. Birds eye chili and garlic, then fluffy, powdered together, sugar, fish sauce, and lime juice. Set aside for a few minutes.
Direction 3.
In the mixing bowl, add sliced onion, sliced tomato, chopped carrot and prepared spicy salad dressing. Gently mix to combine. Pour over the deep fried egg and sprinkle with roughly sliced spring onion.
Direction 4.
Ready to serve.